Studio5, an Islamic record label.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A believer is somebody who tries to achieve excellence in everything. Whatever we do, whether it is our business, whether it is our study, whether it is our worship, we always try to be excellent, do it in the best way and achieve the highest grade in it. Imam Ghazali talks about 3 grades of fasting. He says there is the fast of the ordinary person. Then there is the fast of those who are special, and then those who are extraordinary. What is the fast of what is an ordinary fast? Well, he says ordinary fast is where you stay hungry from dawn till dusk, okay? But the special fast is where you begin to control your senses. You begin to look after how you use your ears. What do you hear? You use your eyes very carefully. You control your gaze, what you watch with it. You control your stomach. You control the 5 senses. And he says that when you're able to do that, then that becomes a very special kind of fast. Okay? And that, after all, is the purpose of this amazing ritual of fasting. It is to actually give us this self-control, the ability to control our senses, that we are not the slaves of our lusts and our senses, but actually the masters of our senses. So this special kind of fast is, Imam Ghazali calls this the 2nd grade. Okay? So I hope you can... we should be all aiming for that 2nd grade of fasting. We're able to control our senses. He also talks about, what do you eat? You must eat from halal, okay? And begin your fast with the halal, end your fast with halal. And then he says the 3rd grade is that of the extraordinary. Here, the fasting person does not worry about when is the iftari, what is the iftari going to be, okay? He has been fasting for the love of God, for the sake of God. And through this, he wants to attain that purity of heart and mind, that will give him the real tazkiyah. Tazkiyah is a very beautiful term that the Quran uses. Tazkiyah means to purify. And it also has the meaning of growth as well. So when the gardener, before the gardener can actually plant any seed, what do? They clean the soil. They get rid of all the weeds, okay? And then they plant the soil. They get it ready, okay? And then what happens? The seed grows very quickly. Similarly, for us to attain that tazkiyah, that purity, we need to clean our hearts and minds of lusts. We need to clean ourselves from bad habits of anger, of arrogance. We need to clean ourselves of jealousy and of greed. When we do that, we are now prepared. We are now ready to grow fast, because the environment is just right for the growth. And that is what fasting does. Fasting is really an amazing opportunity. It's not 1 day, it's not 3 days, it's not 10 days, it's actually full 30 days. And many psychologists actually tell us that if you want to build and develop a good habit, you can't do it in less than 4 weeks, actually. It's well known. So, subhanallah, when Allah wants you to fast for the whole month, Shahru Ramadan alladhi unzila fihi al-Quran, the aim is that you need to really develop these beautiful habits, get rid of all those vices that really ruin your life and psychology. So, inshallah al-Aziz, we'll benefit from this amazing month, take advantage of those pangs of hunger, and those moments of thirst and tiredness and exhaustion, that you will experience in your fast, it's really an amazing opportunity to freshen your spirituality and to come closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.